Okay, hey guys again. So it's been like I don't know how many minutes, but I found the answer. Okay, I was doing it wrong. So let's say this. Let's go to. Let me go open on another my other screen. Firebase console. So as I said, I was doing something wrong. I needed to check for the sign in for a combination. So you will see what I did there. So let's go to no database authentication. Okay, I'm back here. I think I can. Okay. Authentication. Let's remove all these users. Delete. Delete. And delete. Okay, let's skip that one. So, okay, I added a little pause. Let's delete, and you see that it refreshes. But you will see what is going on here. So let's go to sign in, create another account, someone. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Create account. We are being redirected. And since we don't have any, and I'm not showing any message, we don't have any post. So let's create a new post. Okay, you can see that I'm signed in. I just created an account. And I'm signed in with user someone. Okay, so what I did, okay, let me show you to post create post. Okay, I'm getting that. So what I did was first of all, here I'm deleting the post. I kept that the same since you can change it into a reducer and an action, so you can change that. Feel free to do it. Now I'm just refetching the posts, and it's all what I'm doing. So once I delete one, it's going to refetch, is going to add that into the state, and React is going to remount the component. Okay, so that is what is going on there. So as I said, the fix here was pretty easy, but I was doing something wrong, and I needed to check a combination. Okay, to check if both are marked as empty object. Okay, if login, that is the state from when the user logs in using the login form, and sign in is the one that the user is adding the data into a sign in form. So I need to check if both are empty objects. If not, then it means the user used either the login or the sign in, and one of those has the user data. Okay, it's going to be always like that. So, and that's it. That's the changes I needed to do, but because I was kind of stressed because the video was taking so long, and once I finished that, I was like, oh, I need to change this into that, and that was it. Okay, so we can create posts, we can log in, use this one, login. Okay, you can see the change, and let's create a post, and this is a new post. This is a new post. Okay, so let's create a post. Okay, so you can see it remount the component, and let's delete this one. Okay, and just doing that, let's log out, let's sign in with dummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember that Firestore requires 6 characters on the password. So let's create an account, and let's create a new post, third post. This is the third post. Okay, So that works. I can log out. And I cannot access this create post because the user is not set. Okay. So if you wanted me to, if you wanted to see me suffer a little bit with these kind of issues, and that's the main reason why I'm not doing tutorials yet, because something can go wrong and that added more length and more difficulty into the video, and I want to show you how to implement and how everything works when it works fine and when that is implemented the correct way. Okay, but I'm going to love these two videos as they are. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.